I really like this a lot because it's just really simple. It's not overdone. It's a good enough, you know, beat for work where you're together but you're not like overdoing it. Most of these are affordable products. There are a few high-end products that I did use today. So just for the high-end products, it was the Laura Mercier translucent medium deep powder. So this is more of like a flesh tone powder for brown girls. And I use this as like my first layer of makeup just to kind of like set my face because I do have oily skin. This is very finely milled, so if you have textured skin like I do, it doesn't show up as much in your pores. The other thing that I used that was more on the expensive side was this Rihanna Fenty highlighting stick in cinnamon. This is $25. And then I think this one is $23. I really love this. Of course, if you can find a dupe for it or you know a dupe for it, just let me know. I really like how this color goes on, and it's very seamless, and it's not that beaming highlight, but it's definitely giving you like a nice glow. So these are the only two expensive products that I used on today's look, and then everything else is pretty much things you can find at the drugstore. Start my day. Hopefully you guys have a wonderful rest of your week, and just let me know if this was helpful to you guys.